Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the go back button is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're unable to restore back to the previous version of Windows or Windows 11 or Windows 10, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Left click on the Shift key on your keyboard, so then hold down the Shift key, select the power icon, and select Restart. Select the Troubleshoot button, select Advanced Options, select Uninstall Updates, and then select Uninstall Latest Feature Update. If you're running into problems since installing the latest feature update, uninstalling might fix them. This won't affect your personal files, but you'll lose any changes you made to apps and settings since your most recent update. Still, I'd recommend having a backup before you proceed. So if you have a backup or you don't care, so you go ahead and select uninstall feature update, and that'd be pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.